with 60 days just to show it to you. 60 days, anything that you put over any principal amount, with, as long as you're keeping this interest rate at 1.25, in 60 days or less, it will double. So I'm going to calculate here. Again, this calculator is just for demonstration purposes. Anybody can pull up the compound calculator at the calculator site. So you see it doubled at 1,053. Put 10,000 here, right? That's what I've been doing all day. $10,000, 60 days or less, $21,000. So I'm simply showing you that anything that you put here will double, but it's up to you in order for it to double. You must take the 2 trade signals per day. That's it. At what time? Well, the timestamp says that you will take these 2 trade signals per day at approximately 7:30 and 1:30 Eastern. It is now 7:25, so in about 6 minutes, we're going to take a live trade signal. Okay. Now, here's what I want you all guys to see. Most people start at $500. You can start at whatever increment you want. And let it be known that, guys, just because it says 501,000, a lot of people get stuck there. You can start at 601, 728. It is totally up to you the amount that you start at. So, of course, the more you put here, the more you earn as you are doing this. But it's going to still be at the 1.25 interest rate. So I like to show everybody what 1.25 earns them in just 100 days. Okay? So 100 days, because I want you to look at this 100 days and know that you can take your money out if you still are not feeling safe and secure about your $500. Here's what it earns for you in 100 days. That's $1,731. Guys, that's in 100 days. I can scroll down here and it will show you the daily compound interest. The daily, so your money has tripled. Now, if you don't feel comfortable, if you're nervous, take out your $500. Now, when you do, the company has a withdrawal fee like anything else. The withdrawal fee is 12% of whatever amount you are taking out. There is another fee if you do not let your initial investment double or have taken 100 trades. So if you pull out before this 500 has doubled to 1,000 or taking 100 trades, there's an additional 20% to pay. So simply let it double or take the 100 trades. If you think about it, 100 trades is what? You're taking 2 signals per day. That's 50 days. So as long as you're taking your signals, you're good. Now, it's inevitable that you're going to miss some signals. But trust and believe, when your signals are $500 and $600 per signal, you're not going to miss those signals. And trust, people get that. Our level 7 people over here are trading twice a day, and they are earning $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 because they have that much in their account. You trade at 1% of your account. And yes, there are people over here with $500,000 or more in their account. So that's what? That's $5,000 per signal, twice a day. And they get 3 signals. That's $15,000 per day. It's going to happen, and especially tomorrow in our bond chat, you're going to see it. So here's what $500 in 100 days. I told you it was that, 1731. I want you to take it out. Take out your $500 when you feel safe and secure. So in order to get that full amount, minus the 12%, you need to take out $600. Because they're going to take 12% out of that. That will leave you with $528. All right. So 600 from this 1731 would be $1,131. Let's put this up here. So 1131. Now, guys, this is the juice money, as I call it, because you have your initial out. So this is free money right here. Let's run this now for 1 year. Now again, this is your extra money. Your $500 is back in your drawer. Click on the calculate for you. Now that 1,100 has you what? $1,005. Again, this is after you took the 500 out. Now I'm gonna take it back one step for those who are not afraid of $500. It's a minimum investment. Here's what I like to use: 18 months. So 1 year is 6 months. This is a $500 one-time investment. There is no monthly, no $19.99, nothing of the such. Here's what you earn. 18 months, ladies and gentlemen. That's $441,000. All you, not talking to a single person, whether you're introvert, fly on the wall, mouse in the corner. This is all you. So again, you don't need anybody to earn this amount of money. Now later on in the presentation, I will show you the differences if you decide to share this with people. How about 2 years? As I hurry along because I see the time is 7:30. It is time for our signal of the evening. Here's 2 years. Now be amazed. That's $4 million. $4 million. For what? $500 one time at this 1.25. Now it's up.